Hey, it's Dan Lesniak, the best-selling author of the HyperLocal HyperFast Real Estate Agent. I'm here today with another tip on how to help you create more value for your clients and grow your business. So one thing that a lot of people struggle with is price drops on their listing. If you had it on the market for a few weeks, you've had 15 or more showings, no offers, no interest, chances are you probably need to do a price drop to get an offer. Depending on what's normal in your market, that could change in the type of market you're in. But when it's time to do a price drop, it's always best, I think, to treat it as almost the same as you would a new listing. It's a new marketing opportunity. So you want to do the price drop typically later in the week, like a Wednesday or Thursday. You want to make sure you get an open house scheduled that weekend after the price drop, because you're going to bring in